If you saw my last video, you saw me having a little bit of a crisis. I've had an awful lot of really nice comments, and I thought, let's get out of the office and go out for a little lunchtime drive. And then I can tell you what the plan is for the channel going forward, and how much it means for all of the really nice comments that you've all given me. So coming out of the shop where my office is, and let's go for a drive. I do love this view as you start to descend off Windy Heads Hill, great name, and you just get this fantastic rugged northern coastline of Aberdeenshire, and I am only 5.5 miles from home. You just had the ride with me, yeah? And I've got this on my doorstep, and this plants me a little bit, because I've got this fantastic place that I can just come to basically at any time, very quickly. I don't have to go on a long vacation, traveling holiday thing somewhere. And I used to do, when I used to live in various suburban places in England, sometimes I would come off out of suburbia and leave work and leave the family behind and just have a few days bugging out in the wilds of Scotland, and now I live just down the road from it. It's fantastic. So for my viewers around the world, and I do get comments quite often from Americans, this is a 60 miles an hour speed limit road, yeah, and it's two-way traffic. So I know it's only single track, but I could legally do 60 down here, head on against somebody else doing 60 the same way. Yeah, you don't drive to the speed limit. That's the maximum. And down here it's as far as you can see, which on some of these isn't very far. Anyway, really is a beautiful piece of coastline, and it's the fact that you just get these layers and of colour and of texture, and it always looks different in every weather I've come across here. In every weather, apart from a blizzard, I haven't done that, and it's always interesting and it's always beautiful. and then over the crossroads and down towards Pennan, where we're going to park up, and I'm going to go take you for a lunchtime walk and let's talk. What do you think of this then? This is a bit of a squeeze. Always feels like a squeeze. And then you've got to creep your way out of the edge of the buildings because you can't see anything. And then we'll go down to the car park at the end and go for a little walk. What moron parks like that? Right then, let's go and do this. So, as I say, this is Pennan, and this is one of those little places that you have to visit to actually believe it. So this is a little fishing port, a really little one, which nestles underneath these cliffs, and there is actually a fair part of the year where there's no direct sunlight at all on any of these houses, none at all. And that would be a bit depressing if I lived here. But I don't. But as we were talking about yesterday, I'm a bit down and depressed some of the time anyway. So look, here's the thing. I put that out yesterday, and I suppose it was a bit of a cry for help. But it was, as much as anything, a where are we going on this channel? And I have been not just touched, but absolutely blown away with the response that everybody has given, right? With the love that's being expressed by so many of you. And truly, it means a huge amount. It really does. It's quite humbling, if I'm honest, to have people saying nice things about you when you're at a point where you're not really saying nice things about yourself. So just like this place where I said earlier that it's about grounding yourself, I think I needed to make that video to ground myself back into some self-belief. And the best way to get self-belief sometimes is have the people who you're making the content for tell you why they're watching it. What makes them want to come, what makes you, want to come onto this channel and watch my content. Because sometimes I honestly don't know. So it has meant a huge amount, genuinely, to read all of the comments. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I think I needed that. I hope you can still hear me on this. I have got the, hopefully, got the, yes, sound isolation thing on, because it's a bit windy woo, and the sea is about as far in as it gets, and it makes a fantastic noise when it pulls back over the stone. Hang on. Yeah, so I hope you can still hear me while all of that is going on. Hang on a second. We're going to live dangerously, okay? So, are you ready? Oh, nearly. Maybe I need to be a little bit further up. Hang on a second. Let's see if we can get the wave going after us. And all of this is one shot, by the way. This isn't getting edited at all. I'm just taking you with me. Nah, we need a bigger wave. So look, I have made some decisions though about the channel, and I've actually read through the comments, every single comment that's been made, and I've been making notes. I've actually been making quite a lot of notes. So I have got now a ton of content ideas. Yes, I need more time to be able to actually go and shoot the stuff. Nah, it's not coming down fast enough, it's fine. Although look, there is a wet bit here. Maybe I'll stand here and see if we can get wet. So I've got a whole load of content ideas now that I just need to go and find the time to go and shoot, okay? A lot of content ideas, and again, thank you so much for those. But the interesting thing for me has been people making suggestions about the other things that you'd like to see, and not necessarily on the channel, but some of the other outlets that I could do them on. So if you don't know, this is my main YouTube channel. It absolutely is. But I also appear on a politics-based one called Emergency Podcast with a very old friend of mine. If you want to hear me ranting about UK politics and a bit of world sometimes, go and check that out. I've started a YouTube channel called Millibricks, which is my online store. You've seen a couple of adverts for Millibricks pop up here and there. I'm going to use that channel and do some more business things, okay? Because ultimately, I am running a small business. I am trying to grow it amongst all of the other things that I do. And I just think maybe it would be interesting. So I'm going to take the Millibricks channel and I'm going to start doing some videos about my other business, the retail business. We own a shop. It's got 2 web stores. I'm about to open a TikTok web store. That sounds like an adventure. If you want to see that adventure, then subscribe to Millibricks as well. But I've been thinking for a while. Was that a wave? I missed it. I've been thinking for a while about doing kind of an unhinged channel, because a couple of the comments said, Ian, we really enjoy some of your fruitier language that you deploy on Twitter, and maybe we could have a bit more of it on the channel, as we've just had on that video, because I said not safe for work. I'm not intending to do that on here. I think this is more specific to not sounding my mouth off all the time, but I do think there is a place for it. So I am having to play around with some ideas, and it's all going to start with just get something, because that's kind of my thing. So I don't know, just get the truth, just get the news, just get my thoughts, something like that. There's a few people who are existing YouTubers who got their own channels who posted and gave me some advice. Again, thanks so much, guys. I'll put a link to your channels on here as well, because I have had a browse, I have had a look, and I have got some ideas. So a few things to do, quite a few things to do, and I'm going to keep going at it. But a few people said, Ian, don't burn yourself out. Don't worry. I'm not burning myself out. Look, the simple truth is, I love work, okay? I am a busy bee. I've got to be doing something and producing something. I've got a very low boredom threshold. So it's not about the fact that I'm too busy because I need to be busy. It's about being focused and actually producing stuff that actually works, that people want to watch, or that people want to buy. Or in my commercial business, making things work for clients or for my business that I'm just starting up. Yeah. So it's making sure that all of that works. That's the driver. So I am going to carry on putting videos out on here 3 times a week is the plan. Okay. It's not that difficult some of the time, especially if it's minimal editing as this one's going to be. And the thing is, I actually think I've got more content to put out, certainly going into the summer as we start coming up into that. I've got more content to go out than I think I could cope with if I was only doing, say, 2 a week. So I am going to stick with 3 a week. I am going to stick with trying to have Monday musings where I'm thinking about stuff, and then maybe Wednesday and Friday is more driving, scenery, going places, understanding how Tesla works, a whole load of brilliant ideas given to me about, hey Ian, could you do videos on this? Like Tesla for absolute beginners, or what on earth are kilowatt hours? Absolutely, no problem. A whole load of stuff is going to come. I'll maybe do a few less reels because I'm going to do some of the other stuff. But here's the main thing that I am going to do. I'm going to chill out a little bit. I think that I've been working far too hard in recent times chasing the bloody algorithm. And as I said, it is a heinous evil thing. So I'm going to stop chasing the algorithm, and I'm going to do what so many people have told me. And that's be myself. And stop thinking about what other people might be doing. Just listen to that. I'm going to be myself and stop thinking about how to chase the algorithm and how to stop trying to create a square peg to hammer into a round hole where it's ideas that I don't necessarily agree with. I'm just going to be myself, because that is the absolute massive majority view when I was posting on the other video. You want me to be me, and that's why you're here, and that's why I'm here. So there it is. Just Get a Tesla continues. I'm going to chill out a little bit. I've got a whole load more content planned, and I'm not going to let the bastards grind me down. So there it is. Like and subscribe. There's going to be a whole load of links in the description for this one. So go and check out some of those other things as well. When I do launch my own Hinge channel, which I've got a few ideas for already, I'll let you know. And until then, from Pennan, I'll sign off there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here very soon on Just Get a Tesla.